Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by laying each garment flat and smoothing wrinkles with your hands. This prevents bulk and speeds consistency. Once done, align seams and shoulders so edges meet. Fold one side towards center at a precise straight line. Make a crisp half fold from hem to collar for shirts, keeping fabric taut. Do this immediately for every shirt in the pile, because consistent first folds establish uniform stacks and reduce time later. Make sure sleeves stay flat and collars don't bunch. You now refine each piece with precise thirds or halves. Fold trousers by matching inner seams, then fold into thirds so they fit the standard width. Once pieces share the same width, place similar sizes together to avoid shifting. This creates even weight distribution in your locker or sea bag. Press each folded item flat and tap the stack to align edges. When packing, orient heavier items at the bottom and fill gaps with socks to lock the stack in place and minimize movement. You finish by trimming stray edges and ensuring each stack has uniform height. This makes retrieval orderly and fast. Once all stacks meet the same profile, place them in your sea bag or locker vertically if space allows, because vertical packing reduces creasing and keeps items accessible. If something bulges or shifts, stop and refold that piece immediately. Alternatively, transfer problem items into a zip bag to preserve shape. Remember, quick course corrections keep the entire kit squared away and inspection ready.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.